Earth-Mars synchronization occurs roughly every 26 months. So we had one this year, this summer, and so that means in roughly like about 2 years there'll be another one, and then 2 years after that. So I'd say if you say 6 years from now, I think highly confident. If we get lucky, maybe 4 years, and then we want to try to send an uncrewed vehicle there in 2 years. I'm mostly concerned with developing the technology that can enable a lot of people to go to Mars and make life multiplanetary, have a base on the moon, a city on Mars, and I think it's important that we strive to have a self-sustaining city on Mars as soon as possible. Hey, even if it's not you, there's going to be people out there that we can have a base on the moon. We're going to have a city on Mars, maybe go further, moons of Jupiter and everything. I think that's a very